Hello. Hi, everyone. Today's my birthday. Okay, let's come to buy. Have you wanted to buy a great tech gadget? A new phone, but better? Well, this generation, phones have been upgraded to a notebook. Basically, a flip phone. And people scroll for hours and hours and centuries and millions and use their phone to check basically the TikTok videos. Yeah. Then the stock market and then become happy that their value share is increasing. And when it falls, they get sad. And trust me, I'm not being mad here. It happens for everyone. And the most common thing in humans are watching YouTube. Not saying everyone, but let's say the most majority one. You're probably watching this video in your new tech gadget. Or let's say your new flip phone. Well, if you're looking for a new phone to buy, I got the perfect phone for you. Just watch my full video or watch the full video so you can understand. So, it came weeks ago and announced and launched by our dear Samsung, which is the Z Flip and Z Flip 6. Sorry, the Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 6. I didn't want to. Okay, and today I will talk about all interesting and juicy details about Z Flip. So, let's begin. So, the Z Flip 6 comes in a variety of colors, which are peach, classic peach, special edition, then gold, classic blue, then mint, silver shadow, white, and then crafted black. And these colors are actually nice, and I personally like the peach, gold, and the crafted black. The next one, let's talk about the RAM and the storage. Not a big difference since last year. The Z Flip 6 has storage of 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes. And what about its RAM? The random access memory is 12 gigabytes. And it's good for a flip phone. Then it has a very powerful processor which was used in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which I've also talked about. You can check. So the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, and it's the most powerful processor in the Galaxy lineup. So it has powerful Galaxy AI, yes, and then ray tracing, and then LED audio with 20% CPU and 26% GPU, with 48% NPU. It has a cover display of 3.4-inch Super AMO LED, 60Hz refresh rate. Nice. 720 into 740 resolution. We have 4K, close to 4K resolution. And the main display is a 6.7-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x or 2 times 120Hz, which is more faster, adaptive refresh rate, which is from 1 to 120Hz. But it does also have some cons. But before talking about it, all of these are very good features. And if you want to scroll very, very fast and hit the like button, this one's for you. And do it. Okay, let's start with the cons. Words are kind of concerning because not all apps work well on the cover screen. And then we have app transition, but it's kind of seamless as you see. And then it has an okay average battery life, mediocre. And the flip phone, which is the middle thing, that also has some issues. It's not the best in the folding part, so nice. But I like how when you close it, you have your own wallpaper with many different options. Nice. So so this is the cons and pros, and it's nice.
So, if it's your first time buying a flip phone, I can say you can go with the Z Flip 5 because there's no big difference. But if you want a more powerful and new upgrades, just Samsung fan, you want a new phone, you can get this new phone, the Z Flip 6. Personally, I don't adorn this phone that much because it has the same quality, but it's actually a very good phone and has a potential to become the best smartphone in 2024. And overall, it's a great phone and you can use it. I give a rating of 7.7 out of 10, but a great start for Samsung with Galaxy AI and new tech products. Hope you guys go in more steps and adorn more. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.